Samsung has finally announced the world's first 200 megapixel smartphone camera sensor today. Also in the leaks, we have the S21 FE launch date that has been delayed again. And finally, we are going to be talking about the tri-folding foldable device that has been displayed today by Samsung Display. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest scoop. So guys, today Samsung has finally announced the world's first ever 200 megapixel of ISOCELL camera sensor, which is based on the ISOCELL HP1 technology. This is going to be a sensor which is coming with a dynamic pixel binning technology that adjusts the output resolution depending upon the light for optimum result. Basically, this new ISOCELL HP1 sensor will be coming with all new clamshell cell technology offering full pixel rendering. Basically, this technology will provide you 2x2 pixel binning or 4x4 pixel binning based on the lighting, in which the sensor is offering you a 50 megapixel sensor of pixel binning images. But when you have low light situation, then it will be performing a 4x4 pixel binning mode, and the ISOCELL HP1 will offer you a 12.5 megapixel images inside. The ISOCELL HP1 offers a 12.5 megapixel images sizes. The sensor also will support an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and fairly a wide field of view. The company hasn't revealed which autofocus technology is be using in that particular sensor. At the same particular event, the ISOCELL GN5, which is coming with a 50 megapixel sensor, has been introduced. It's also going to be the world's first ever 50 megapixel sensor camera, which is going to be coming with a dual pixel pro autofocus technology. It's also feature a front deep trench isolation technology to absorb as much light as possible inside a pixel and reduce crosstalk for lower noise. Moving forward, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has been delayed again, and now a new leak coming from front page tag that indicates that the launch event will be held on October 28, and Samsung is planning to introduce the S21 FE at that point, so there is going to be a chance that this device might not sell as well. And the final story of today is Samsung Display has showcased a demonstration about the tri-folding foldable display that is going to be coming in the future foldable devices. Probably in 2023 we might see that particular device to be coming, and there are two options to fold the device, and based on the folding mechanism you can use the display while folding and unfolding. Basically it will provide you two different hinges, and also they are going to be coming with this larger display. And this technology is still far away, but this demonstration will indicate the Samsung plans for the foldable devices. So guys, I am definitely looking forward towards the 200 megapixel sensor which has been introduced by Samsung today. And let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this new sensor in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.